I'm back on days off. I've got some parts in for the S10. I'll get the Focus cleaned up and done. We'll finally have some nice weather, as you can see. It's snowed the last few days, but it's really nice out today, so I'll get some work done. Show you what I got for the S10 and what did I do with the Focus. We'll see if it's got a cabin air filter, and want to clean out the trunk. I've got a whole bunch. Might as well show you now. I've been picking through the middle bin, the scrap middle bin at work. So I want to clean the trunk out. Got a bunch of stuff from it, and I got a bunch in the garage. Which I got a new light for the garage. I'll get hooked up today. Bunch of welding rods that were all in the scrap metal bin. MIG wire. What else did I get? This piece of pipe. A couple files. Sledgehammer. The handles broke on it. The fiberglass pick. Some other stuff I got. I just can't think of where I put it right now. Oh, some rebar, some angle iron. I bought these Dent pullers from Canadian Tire today. I should have showed before. Just getting the dent out. A little hard to get it to stick to it. Takes a bit to get it to stick. Once you get it stick, it does do okay. The dent is gone. They do stick really good to a flat surface. They're doing the Canadian Tire special today where you spend $100, you get $10 back on the rewards, or $20 back on the rewards. And these were $10, but I think I'm going to use them for a camera mount. You can do a piece of plastic in between them and mount a camera. They'll stay really good. This one I was spitting on when I was trying to use the Dent, trying to get it wet so it stuck a little better. I'll try them out, see how they work for $10. Not a big loss. They work to get that dent out mostly. Was my plan with them.